Hello folks, welcome back to the channel Honda Snowblower Enthusiast and Small Engine Repair. I just picked this up yesterday. My favorite Honda, the Honda HS80. If you look at this closely, I'm not sure if I can get it running. I bought it as a parts machine. You can see it doesn't have a fuel tank, doesn't have a carburetor. It turns over though, so there's potential there. I'm going to remove the plug, cleaning out, and change the oil, put a tank on it and a carburetor on it. You can see, look at this, it must have dropped or something. Look at the shooter. It has excellent tracks. The bucket needs work. I think it fell. I didn't ask the owner, but I think it fell off a truck or something. I don't know if the augers work or anything. It's got a beautiful muffler, chrome muffler. I'll probably use that on another machine, to make it look spiffy. A lot of these machines have been sitting for years and years outside. I just washed it. I always wash a machine before working on it. It's a lot easier. Didn't have the belt cover. You can still see the writing on the belt, so it's probably new belts. The owner didn't know much about it. It was left with the property when he bought it. And it looks like the owner was working on it, fixed it up or whatever. Maybe it fell off a truck. It doesn't have the linkages for the governor and the linkages in the return spring or whatever. But this is what I love to do, folks, on the channel. Stay tuned for future videos on me trying to get it started, the work I do to the engine. That's going to be the first order of business, is getting it started if possible. I mean, it turns over. If it turns over, most likely I can get it running. I mean, you've watched videos in the past on my channel, Facebook Reels. I mean, if an engine turns over, especially a Honda engine, the next thing I do is check for the spark. And if it has a spark, all it needs is compression, which it does have. And I can get it running. So, I got this as a parts machine. But look at this track. I mean, it has zero cracks in them. It's beautiful tracks. They sell for like $80 to $100 on eBay for the tracks. And by the way, the tracks on an 80 will fit on a HS 50, 55, 72. So that's good to know. The chute also, this chute looks pretty good. It will fit on all the other models as well. It's got a really nice control panel. Even though it was left in the sun, it doesn't seem to have any sun fading. So the control panel looks really nice. This was in Reno. It was no rust or corrosion on it. So that's a plus, being in the high desert area of Reno, Nevada. And so let me see. This is stuck down for some reason, so that needs to be investigated. I'll go through the whole machine and I'll document everything in a future video, so people can learn from what I've learned in the past on working on hundreds and hundreds of Honda snowblowers. That's what the channel's for, folks. Trying to help you save money, do it yourself, save money. It's a lot of fun, and it's easier than you expect it. So please like and subscribe. I'll have future videos on this project, and we'll see you next time.